Hi friends, how are you all doing? I thought I'd hop on here tonight because I was getting ready to do my little concoction that helps my sinuses whenever I'm stuffy, or right now I feel like I'm having some seasonal issues with, it's so dry here in Colorado. Anyway, I wanted to show you my little sinus trick. So what you do is you take a mug. I don't know if this is backwards, but this says dream but don't quit your day job. Tell me below what movie that's from. One of my favorites. Anyway, so I have a mug of hot steaming water. I just took a mug of water and nuked it in the microwave for about a minute and a half to 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add some essential oils. So these are my favorites. Okay, whoa, okay. Anyway, peppermint, tea tree or melaleuca, lemon, and oregano. Okay, and we're just gonna take advantage of the aromatics of these. So I'll just show you real quick how you do this. You take your mug, and I'm just gonna drop 2 drops. That was lemon. Oregano is super powerful. 2 drops of oregano. It's a little bit slower dropping out. And then peppermint. Actually, I think peppermint's last. I don't know if it really matters. Tea tree. Ah, there was a lot more. Tea tree and then peppermint. Okay, here, this is better. Peppermint's a little slower. Oh. Okay, now you're gonna do this. You're gonna take the mug and you're gonna put your nose and mouth over it and you're gonna make a little tent. And you're gonna breathe in those aromas. Okay, the aromas of the essential oils penetrate your sinuses. They go up and they're gonna start working on whatever's going on up there. Whether you're stuffy, you got stuff that needs to come out, sorry to be gross, this is a lifesaver. Okay, this is awesome. Oh my gosh. Now the oregano, just so you know, the oregano is super strong. So sometimes it's gonna feel like it's burning a little bit up there, but I promise you, just remove the cup and it'll go away. And then you're just gonna keep going back for more. Helps that I have glasses on. You'll want to close your eyes because the aromatics are so powerful. So this is lemon, tea tree or melaleuca, peppermint, and oregano, okay? Okay, and if you're brave enough, when it cools off, you can drink it if you want extra support for your immune system. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you all. I haven't been on here in a long time, and I know Facebook is getting wonky. So anyway, comment below if you watched this, or if you watched it live, if you have any questions, or if you watched the replay, just put that in the comments as well. If you have any questions or you want me to get you these. Now, I forgot to mention, you only want to use the most pure and potent essential oils, which are doTERRA. Do not use any other brand. So if you have a friend or know someone who sells doTERRA, reach out to them, or I'd be happy to help you, okay? Have a great night, and here's to clear sinuses. Bye-bye.